Well, Pratibha, just as you were speaking, Sonia Gandhi has just gotten off the car, which was parked right beside the road. She's now going to be joining the rally. You can see a large number of people, of course, at this point in time, who, of course, come here to greet her. The rally, of course, is now traversing through the streets of Pandavapura. She's now just met Rahul Gandhi. You can see she's getting there closer. The crowds, of course, are getting larger as we move closer to the next location. Huge crowds now, and of course the police as well are finding it quite tricky to manage the crowds at this point in time as we look at these scenes that are coming in from Pandavapura. A huge moment, of course, for the Congress party here in Karnataka, which is now looking at DK Shivkumar, Siddaramaiah walking together for days together across various parts of the state, and joining them is Rahul Gandhi, and today the Congress President Sonia Gandhi herself, and she's expected to walk with Rahul for about an hour. As we move through these areas, we are going to try and get a little bit of more room to show you these visuals clearly, but as she has just joined in the rally, there is a little bit of a commotion at this point in time. We'll try and get you better pictures just in a while, as my video journalist Vinay continues to bring you these live exclusive shots from the Bharat Jodo Yatra in Pandavapura.
Absolutely, we're going to stay with those pictures that are coming in, Deepak, because a huge crowd that is gathered around Sonia Gandhi as she is now stepping out of the car, and of course a lot of media presence that can also be seen, a lot of workers also from the Congress party. There she is. She can be now spotted right in the middle there, and she is now walking. This is the Padyatra that she is conducting. On to her right is Rahul Gandhi, and the Padyatra has begun, Deepak. Also can be seen DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah. Very important, the two leaders who can be spotted in the Karnataka Congress there.
नहीं, ये शिकायत मीडिया में बैठे हुए कुछ बिके हुए लोगों को हो सकता है, आम लोगों को नहीं है। मैं बड़ा ऑर्गेनिक आदमी हूँ, अपने देश समाज से लोगों से जुड़ा हुआ हूँ। उनको ज्योग्राफी पता है, इस देश का भूगोल जानते हैं कि यात्रा जब दक्षिण से उत्तर जा रही है तो बिहार कैसे आएगी। जब यात्रा पूर्व से पश्चिम होगी तो बिहार आएगा और पूरी मजबूती से आएगा।
नहीं, क्योंकि बिहार, उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश जा रही है यात्रा, लेकिन जिन राज्यों में नहीं जा रही है उन राज्यों का क्या, उन राज्यों में किस तरह के रहेंगे, कांग्रेस की क्या रणनीति रहेगी? भारत
का मैप अब बनाएंगे ना, तो जब आप रेखा खींचेंगे दक्षिण से उत्तर की ओर तो यूपी का इलाका टच करेगा दिल्ली के पास। बिहार तो यूपी के बाद है ना, बंगाल के पास है, तो बिहार कैसे आएगा? तो ये तो मतलब इस देश में बड़ी विचित्र स्थिति पैदा हो गई है। ऐसी राजनीति की परिपाटी बन गई है। इतिहास में फेल लोग राजनीति में जब आए हैं तो इतिहास बोध से भी शून्य है और भूगोल बोध से भी शून्य होते जा रहे हैं।
क्या लग रहा है, आज सोनिया गांधी इस यात्रा में शामिल हो रही है। उदयपुर जो कांग्रेस का चिंतन शिविर हुआ था उसमें आप भी मौजूद थे, और वहीं सोनिया गांधी ने कहा था कि बड़े नेताओं को भी आने की जरूरत है। आपको लगता है कि सोनिया गांधी के आने से इस यात्रा को और बल मिल रहा है और लोग जो है वो कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हैं?
देखिए, इस यात्रा की मुख्य जिम्मेवारी भारत यात्रियों के ऊपर है। वो कन्याकुमारी से कश्मीर तक चलेंगे, निर्बाध तरीके से चलेंगे, चाहे जो भी स्थिति हो, बारिश आए, तूफान आए, आंधी आए, वो चलेंगे। बाकी लोग आते जाते रहेंगे। इसीलिए यात्रियों की 3 कैटेगरी है। एक भारत यात्री हैं, अतिथि यात्री हैं और प्रदेश यात्री हैं। तो जिस प्रदेश से यात्रा गुजर रही है वहाँ के लोग होते हैं, और अतिथि यात्री में वो सारे नेता भी हैं, कार्यकर्ता भी हैं जो आएंगे। कोई 1 घंटा चलेगा, कोई 10 मिनट चलेगा, कोई 5 दिन चलेगा, ये उनकी स्वतंत्रता है। लेकिन जो भारत यात्री हैं वो पूरी तरह से चलेंगे।
एक अंतिम सवाल है कन्हैया, प्रशांत किशोर बिहार में भी एक यात्रा कर रहे हैं और कहा जा रहा है कि उस यात्रा से प्रशांत किशोर की भी राजनीतिक जो इच्छा है वो पूरी होगी। बिहार से आप राजनीति करते, वहाँ के रहने वाले, क्या समझते हैं आप?
देखिए, आजाद देश में हर नागरिक को जो है यात्रा करने की आजादी है। प्रशांत किशोर करें, इससे पहले भी यात्रा हुई है, आगे भी यात्रा हो। किसी यात्रा का उद्देश्य राजनीतिक हो सकता है, किसी यात्रा का इस देश में उद्देश्य जो है ना दंगा और सांप्रदायिकता भी रहा है। तो लोगों की अपनी अपनी इच्छा है। लेकिन जहाँ तक भारत जोड़ो यात्रा का सवाल है, ये यात्रा देश के लोगों को आपस में जोड़कर रखने के लिए, प्रेम संबंधों को बनाए रखने के लिए, देश की अर्थव्यवस्था की टूटी हुई कमर को जोड़ने के लिए, और राजनीति के अंदर जो इतनी ज़्यादा प्रतिद्वंद्विता आई है, जिस तरीके से विपक्ष को आज समाप्त ही कर देने पे लोग तुले हुए हैं, तो विपक्ष जब समाप्त हो जाएगा तो कोई लोकतंत्र नहीं बचता है। तो राजनीतिक रूप से, सांस्कृतिक रूप से, सामाजिक रूप से।
Okay, so there you have it, Kanhaiya Kumar as well, the Congress leader, part of the Bharat Jodo Yatra. Like we mentioned, visuals coming in of Sonia Gandhi joining the Bharat Jodo Yatra with Rahul Gandhi, DK Shivkumar as well as Siddaramaiah also seen beside the leaders. And Deepak Bopana continues to stay live with us, getting us those visuals. Deepak, take us through what's happening there. We're seeing the visuals now on our screen. Sonia Gandhi, several other Congress leaders also now joining in.
Yes, heavy police deployment here, ensuring that as the march continues, not too many people crowd together. You can see Sonia Gandhi at this point in time speaking to Anjali Nimbalkar, one of the Congress MLAs from Khanapur. Rahul Gandhi as well having a word with her. DK Shivkumar walking right next to them. Siddaramaiah as well there. So it is a huge contingent that's walking together. As the police, also the additional forces that have come in, try to keep the crowds away. He of course does meet people occasionally as he marches. He points out to a few people who just drop in, speak to him and then go back. But it is difficult with Sonia Gandhi as well here. There is of course a huge number of people who've come in. Let's try and speak to a few Congress leaders who are marching here along with the Bharat Jodo to try and get an opinion. If you could tell us today, Sonia Gandhi's presence in Karnataka, how does it really bluster the mood for the Congress? Also, how the Congress leaders feeling in the state with her presence?
Obviously, everybody is related. The energy is high. I mean, you can look at the number of people who have turned up. I mean, the love that Madam has from the party people, that's obvious and that's apparent. And so, I mean, everybody is upbeat. You can see a whole lot of, folk dances and, a lot of artists who are taking part. And Karyakartas have come out in really big numbers. Because obviously Madam has contested here from Ballari, from Karnataka. She's represented Karnataka before. So, I mean,
Is she expected to be a part of the Yatra during the Ballari leg once again? That, of course, is going to take a few days. But
that I'm not aware of. But yeah, obviously, we would be more than happy if she comes in. I mean, look at the kind of energy that she's given to the Karyakartas. I mean, that's amazing, right? I mean, this is amazing support from her for her to come into Karnataka. She didn't go to any other state, but she's come here. So that's a significant thing for us. For the Karyakartas here, we're an election-going state. So it means a lot for us. I mean, all of us are pumped up and, we hope to carry this energy going forward into the elections too.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. Well, like she summed it up, carrying forward this momentum into the elections is going to be key for the state Congress, who are right now, like she said, upbeat about the presence of Rahul and Sonia Gandhi, both in the state of Karnataka as a part of the Bharat Jodo Yatra. The convoy vehicle of the Gandhis just moving past us. It looks like a short while from now, Sonia Gandhi could, be moving out of this yatra. She was, of course, just supposed to be a part of this yatra for about 45 minutes to an hour. It has been about half an hour since she has arrived. She's expected to make her way back to Mysuru and head back to Delhi. So a brief, stay with the yatra in itself. She was in Karnataka for the last 2 days as the Bharat Jodo Yatra had been stalled for a couple of days. But once again, today ensuring that she walks with Rahul Gandhi. Also a big message, of course, by the Congress party that they are all in for this Bharat Jodo Yatra, which they believe is not just going to bolster the party's overall chances nationally, but also it's going to be a big impetus for Karnataka Congress, considering the fact that the elections in the state of Karnataka are just a few months away.